Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect tortoiseshell nails. So let's get into it. So these are the colors you need to get started. You need a mustardy yellow, you need a dark chocolatey brown, and then you need a burnt orange that's kind of between the two colors. You also need a clear gel that has like a watercolor effect. I'm using this one from Bio Seaweed Gel, but you can really get it off of Amazon. But the clear gel is really the tip here. So I'm going in with that clear watercolor effect gel, and I'm painting it on my index finger, and the yellow nails are where you're going to do your tortoiseshell design. So now I grab my brush, I dipped into that little orange, and I'm doing a spot on the bottom of the nail, the top of the nail, and the middle of the nail somewhere. It doesn't really matter too much because the design really is super easy and is very forgiving, but you just need some sort of orange spot canvas to start. So I'm going to put the orange color on, and then I'm going to cure it. Okay, so then now I'm going back in with that clear watercolor gel, and be sure you're not curing between the watercolors. Okay, you're leaving the watercolor on and it's giving that dispersed gel look. So now what I'm going to do is dip my polish into the brown, and I'm going to disperse the brown over the clear water gel. And that's what it's making it look like a sort of dispersed look. And you're just going right over top of the orange. You don't need to cover the orange completely. You still want parts of the orange to seep through, but that's what's giving it that full sort of transparent look that you really like in a tortoiseshell. Once I get the brown over top how I like, I cure that. And honestly, it's kind of a trust the process because it really does look kind of weird right now, but trust me, at the end, it looks fire. Okay, so after I've cured that, now I go straight in with the brown polish. No need for the watercolor gel because I want more of a opaque look. I cure the brown and I go back one more time now with just pure black. And you just go black. You don't want to cover the whole nail again when you want the browns, the orange, those other layers to show through. So just show a bit of a black spot on the nails. Cure the black one more time, and then this is the best part. You go over with that brown once more, and you go over and cover the entire nail. And since this brown here is slightly transparent, it really gives that tortoiseshell look because you can see the different layers of the light brown, the dark brown, the black. In my opinion, the prettiest tortoiseshell nails are the ones that are like kind of transparent, kind of see-through, because honestly, it just looks the best. But I finish it off with the top coat here, and there you have it. Your easy peasy tortoiseshell nail design. If you want to see more tutorials and nail tips and tricks, head over to my channel and hit that subscribe button. Thanks everyone. See you next time.